Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to talk about curtains, and I'm going to show you the best way to hem a curtain to not mess with the already set seams and little spaces for the rods. So if I wanted to hem this and I don't want to mess with this part, then I would naturally hem the bottom. But if the bottom has a nice straight line, everything on there is perfect, and I would have to cut this off, fold it up, and make a new line. Instead of doing that, get the measurement of the amount that you want to cut off. So let's say I want to cut this much off. I'll just fold this up, take the bottom, fold it up to meet where I want it to meet, and then I would attach this by pinning it. And I'm going to demonstrate all this when I'm actually doing it, but pin this straight across, sew this line, and then you could just cut off the excess and you would have all your seams perfectly intact. I'm going to show you the process of that, and hopefully this is something that you can use to hem your curtains if you need to. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So this is the bottom of the curtain, and I'm just going to take this part here where the seam is and then fold this up to the line where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna pin it here, and then I have to pin it going all the way across to the other side. Okay, I already have my marking on this one. I want it to be right here, and I'll do that same thing on the other side. I'll just sew straight down this way, sew it straight down on the front. And now the hem is in. So it's all there. So this is the extra bit. It's in the back of the curtain, and this is the part we don't need anymore. And then there's the new curtain. Don't have to try to get a straight hem or anything. As long as you have the fold and then the measurement that I showed intact, then you know that the bottom hem is going to look right. It's going to fall nicely, and it's going to just be a straight line. So now I'm going to hang this up, but I am doing some other modifications to this, but that concludes the hemming portion. So yeah, my plan is to cut this in half because I want 2 panels. So I don't know if you're interested in seeing all of that, but I'm really just gonna cut this in half, like literally down the middle, and then I'll just pinch the edge, sew a little seam, and then I'm gonna hang it. But either way, that's the end of the tutorial. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.